Hello. In this video, I will review the advanced ADX indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
This indicator displays the same as the ADX indicator, with a few differences in appearance. As you can see, the ADX indicator consists of three lines: the ADX line itself, the positive DI line, and the negative DI line. The histograms shown to us in this indicator have the values of the ADX line of the ADX indicator, and their colors are as follows. When the positive line in the ADX is above the negative line, it is displayed in light blue, and when the positive line is below the negative line, it is displayed in brown. Let's review the settings of this indicator together. This indicator only has one input, and that is the ADX period, which we can set here. Let's take a look at the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. You can also use the MT5 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Now let's see a live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section so we can help improve the indicators.